In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ schema in Rank Math. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an FAQ section that not only looks clean on your page, but also adds structured data that can help search engines understand your content better. This can improve visibility in search results with rich snippets, which is always a win for user experience and SEO. Start by opening WordPress and editing the specific post or page where you want your FAQs to appear. You can do this from the Posts or Pages screen, or directly from the front end if you have quick edit links enabled. Once you're in the editor, you're ready to insert the FAQ block. In the block editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. Use the search bar that appears and type FAQ by Rank Math. When you see the FAQ by Rank Math block, click to insert it into your content. This block is provided by Rank Math and shows up automatically when the schema and SEO modules are enabled. If you don't see it, make sure those modules are turned on and that your plugin is up to date. Now it's time to enter your questions and answers. Click into the question field and write a clear, concise question that a reader would genuinely ask. Then, in the answer field, provide a straightforward, helpful response. Keep your answers scannable, avoid fluff, and use simple language. If it helps your readers, you can add basic formatting like bold or italics for emphasis, but keep it clean and consistent. If you have more Q&A pairs to include, click. Add new FAQ inside the block. Repeat the process for each question and answer. It's best to keep your FAQs relevant to the topic of the page, avoid duplication with other sections, and prioritize the questions you know your audience asks most often. Aim for completeness without overwhelming the reader. 5 to 8 strong questions are usually plenty for a single page. When you're happy with your FAQ content and layout, publish the page if it's new, or click Update if you're editing an existing one. The FAQ by Rank Math block automatically adds the structured data behind the scenes, so there's nothing extra you need to code. After updating, view the page to make sure everything looks good on the front end. Search engines may take some time to process the schema, and rich results aren't guaranteed, but this setup follows best practices and sets you up for success.